All right, everybody, Scott Pierce here, and we got an awesome email to send to your buyer leads, especially those that are currently renting. This is an email, and I love this headline: breaking news, you're paying a mortgage, just not yours. And then it goes on to the next 5 years, you could spend between 63,000 and 220,000 on rent and own nothing. Yes, I did the math for you, and trust me, it is painful. Got a beautiful image right there. So go ahead and take a look at it. And I was actually thinking you could even change this up a little bit to be appropriate to send to everybody in your database by saying something like, in the next 5 years, a renter will spend between 63,000 and da da da. Yes, I did the math for you, and trust me, it's painful. I think everything else works fine, right? Just if you just change that first part to, again, in the next 5 years, a renter will spend between 63,000 and then you're good from there. So the email goes on. The good news, you can turn that money into your own home. This is again available in your Listings to Leads account. I'm going to walk you through how to get to it, how to send it to your database through Listings to Leads or through your CRM. And then we got some video swipe files that I want you to use because they're going to help you later run ads for $2 a day to generate really high quality buyer leads. We got this for seller leads as well. They click the image right here in the email, and the ultimate guide to buying a home will come up. Absolutely awesome. It's like 120 pages or something ridiculous. Amazing guide. When that happens, you'll get a notification that the person clicked and downloaded the guide as a lead notification. Then your listing signature, your home value landing page, your client review website. So again, your home value landing page, full video, completely customizable. A lot of great things you can do here with this, and your client review website as well. So this has, of course, all your client reviews from Zillow, Testimonial Tree, and Google. You can actually import them from anywhere. They can get your 100-point home marketing plan, anything else you got, your PDF guides, your other listings. So yeah, absolutely amazing. So to find this email, go into Listings to Leads, log in, scroll down, depending on where you positioned it, because this is an editable dashboard. And I've got it right here, database email blast, and click send to send yourself a test email. That's what we were looking at a little bit earlier. And then when you're ready, go ahead and click on, and this might be something that you send out every couple of 3 months. I think this could be a great, almost evergreen rotating email into your system. So here we got sent to email. So you can send it through Listings to Leads. So if you want to send it to all your leads here, or maybe just all your buyer leads, again, like I was talking about, you can make those edits right here. So remember I said in the next 5 years, a renter will spend, I think everything else works just great, because in that way, they may know somebody that's renting. They may have a son, a daughter. It doesn't matter. They may know somebody that's renting and share that email with them. So then now you can click preview. And then I'm going to show you how to send this through another CRM. A lot of our clients use Follow Up Boss. You're going to see a button here, copy code, just click that, go to wherever it is that you're going to send an email. And so here's Lion Desk, and it's going to say one of three things that you're going to find and click. Source, like that did right there. Sometimes it could say HTML, or it could just be a button that has two triangles that look like this. So here it says source. Just gonna drop it in, just paste whatever it was that we copied from Listings to Leads. There's our email, absolutely perfect. And there's that edit we made. In the next 5 years, a renter will spend between. I did put in the subject line previously, and then that would be a phenomenal email to send to my entire database. In fact, we should have made it that way to begin with, but you know what? You can use it either way. It's going to be great. Now, we do have in the media library, I'm going to point it out to you. I'm going to show you where the video is on YouTube. We've got all the image and video swipe files for the same thing. And I want you to use this because as people watch, you can download it, share it, send it to your phone, log in on your phone, download it. But you want to be using these. And we have a lot of other videos already in and coming. And if anybody watches 3 seconds or longer of this video, they can be added to an audience. And so what we can do is have All right, these are my buyer profile videos. These are my seller profile videos. Later, we can put anyone that watched 3 seconds of these videos into an audience that we can run ads to later. Absolutely awesome. You're going to see here, we're coming out with pop culture videos like this one right here. There's a download button. So download it, either download it to your phone, download it to your laptop, share it to your phone. This is a great one right here. Have a lot of great compliments. These are different kind of buyer seller profiles. This is actually not a bad one. All right. Some are going to be a little bit more time sensitive, like the one that we come out with every so often as well. So this was housing sales are up 2.2%. That was from maybe a month or so ago. But just to give you a sense of all the beautiful videos that we're going to be and that we are already producing for you, the image file, so you can take a look at that. This was the image I used in the social media post that I did for the same thing. So I took that text from the email and I just copied it into a social media post, downloaded the image right here, and I just use that image in my social media post. You could even run this as a custom ad. So I could go in and do a custom ad and run it as well. So there's a lot of ways to take this and create even more of a funnel than what we're talking about here. So if you have any feedback, any comments, any thoughts, get into the mastermind group. Want to hear from you. We'll talk to you soon.